Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change text color in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the official Wondershare Filmora website and go and download the official application. When you do that, you just need to go and log into your profile on it, but that's not necessary. After that, you just need to go and check out what we actually have here. So we have the file, edit, tools, view, export, and the help option. Our export button is, as you can see, gray, so we cannot export anything because we don't have anything in the program. We also have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and the split screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change text color in Filmora. It is pretty simple. First of all, what you need to do is add a video, which I'll be adding a sample video here now, but of course you go and edit it on your video. Now I'll be dragging the video down here, as you can see, which we needed here, there. And out of all of these options down up here in the left side, we need to click on titles to actually have a text box. So now we wait for it to come out. Just a second. It's loading. It takes a couple of seconds. Okay, so we have it here, subtitle. You just need to drag it on top. And as you can see, it's on top now. What you need to do is click on it. And here you will have the opportunity to change it. Down, you just need to go and take it. And here you can go and change your font and everything. Color, text color, as you can see. You can go and click it on to be like this. And you can see that it's red now. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.